Okay, we're going to talk about adding fractions now. There are two different situations. One with the fractions have a common denominator, and one when they have an uncommon denominator. Okay, and it's two different situations. So the first situation, if it's a common denominator, 1/8 plus 3/8 is all we have to do is add the numerator, and we don't have to worry about the denominator because they're the same. Okay, what makes a whole is 8 parts, and we're adding 1 part plus 3 parts, which is going to be 4 parts out of 8. We have to remember to reduce a fraction if necessary. Okay, so we know that 4 is half of 8, so that this fraction is just equivalent to 1/2. Its simplest form is 1/2. So we need to make sure that we reduce it. Another situation we might have is when we have a fraction with unlike denominators or uncommon denominators, so 2/3 and 1/9. We want to add 2/3 and 1/9. It's tricky because when the denominators are not the same, then it's kind of like dealing with apples and oranges. So we have to have all apples or all oranges. So these are our choices. We can't simplify 1/9 to make it over something over 3, but we can find an equivalent fraction for this one. And when they're friendly numbers, you see a number like 3 and a number like 9, they're friendly. So we know right away we can do something simple with this number. We can multiply it by 3, and we can multiply both sides by 3, and that will make it something over 9. So let's rewrite the fraction over here. It's going to equal 6/9 plus 1/9 equals 7/9, and we do not we don't need to reduce this at all. Okay, the third way, if we don't have numbers that we feel are friendly and we're not really sure what to do with them, we can always do this. We can make a common denominator box. Okay, and this will help us find a common denominator. So I have 6/14 plus 3/7. I'm going to draw the box, and then I'm going to put the first fraction up here and the second fraction down here. 6/14, 3/7. Okay, and then I'm going to skip count by the denominator like this, make the line. And I do that first for both sides to see if I can where I'll land and find the common one. And I see right away that 14 and 14 are going to be the right ones. So I actually don't need to go any further with 6/14. Okay, 3/7, so I multiply both sides by 2 to get, for 7 times 2 is 14. So I multiply the 3 by 2 to get 6. Okay, and this is going to be it. So I'm going to circle this one, circle this one, rewrite them here. 6/14 plus 6/14, and that's going to equal 12/14. We know that we have to reduce this, so I think we'll just divide by 2, because they're both even numbers. I can do that, and I'm going to get 6/7, and we can't reduce that anymore. So a couple different ways to do it. Friendly numbers again here, and common denominator box.